India's journey with football began during the British colonial era in late 19th century, making it one of the oldest footballing nations in Asia. The game took roots in Bengal with Calcutta FC established in 1872, followed by inception of Durand Cup in 1888. Asia's oldest football tournament. By 1937, the All India Football Federation was formed, leading to India's official participation in global stage. The golden era came in 1950s and 1960s when India won Asian Games gold medal in 1951 and Melbourne Olympics in 1956. That was country's highest achievement in international football till date. However, a lack of professional infrastructure, limited international exposure, and cricket's overwhelming popularity caused a steep decline. For decades, Indian football remained in shadow, surviving through legacy clubs like Mohun Bagan, East Bengal Dembu, and Salgokar while struggling with poor funding, weak scouting systems, and outdated facilities. A major turning point came in 2014 with launch of Indian Super League, a professionally managed football league with a celebrity team owners, better broadcasting, and foreign talents. The ISL brought modern marketing, global partnership, and stadium renovation, helping football to re-emerge as a major sport, especially in football-loving regions like Kerala, West Bengal, Goa, and Northeast. Clubs like Kerala Blaster, ATK Mohun Bagan, and Bangalore FC have attracted huge fan bases with match attendance and TV viewership competing with other global leagues. Youth development also begins to take priorities with grassroots academies, AIFF elite programs, and private ventures like Reliance Foundation and Bhaichung Bhutia football schools investing in training the next generation. In 2017, India hosted FIFA U17 World Cup for the first time, marking a big leap forward in global recognition. Yet, when compared to international football giants like Brazil, France, or Germany, India still has long way to go. While top nations have highly advanced youth academies, billion-dollar club systems, and consistent World Cup appearance, India hovers around 100 in FIFA ranking, with very few players in Europe leagues and no World Cup qualification to date. However, the passion among Indian fans is no less intense. Club here are century-old legacies, and local derbies often see packed stadium with typhos, chants, and high-voltage drama. The gap is largely due to late arrival of the professional system and infrastructure, but with continued investment, growing interest in schools and colleges, and consistent support from fans and brands, Indian football is finally on upward trajectory. In conclusion, Indian football today stands at crucial turning point. While it may not yet compete with world's best in terms of performance, with the right focus on grassroots development, coaching, and international exposure, the dream of seeing India in FIFA World Cup might not be distant as it once seemed. Indian football is not just growing, it's rebuilding, rebranding, and rising step by step toward the brighter future.